Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm participating in a wonderful tag. It's the Timeless Elegant Home Decor tag hosted by my sweet friend Lady PHENIX over at Really Good Living. I hope you enjoy. The rules of the tag were really simple. Show some timeless elegant pieces in your home. To start with, I'm sharing my chase. This is actually a massage chair that I picked up from eBay, and it does work, but most of the time it's just sitting in my living room as a display. My next item I've shared before. This is my new blush pink chair from the store Early Settler. I absolutely fell in love with the design of this because it had such a timeless, elegant feel about it, and it also reminded me of something that Marilyn Monroe would have had in her home. I love that it's blush pink and it's actually crushed velvet, and I love to style it in so many different ways. My next item would have to be my favourite thing in my whole house. This was a splurge when we first moved into our home 2 years ago, and I absolutely love my Hollywood mirror. Again, it was another purchase from eBay, and I'm so happy with it. My next item you might recognise from a recent DIY. Guys, I made this Decor flower bag, and it's one of my favourite DIYs that I've done so far. If you'd like to see how I created this, I'll leave a link to that video down below. Next up is this absolutely gorgeous flower arrangement that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. Guys, it's no secret that I adore my flowers, and TK Maxx have the most beautiful range at the moment. This one stole my heart, and I knew it would look perfect on my coffee table. Next up is my mixer. I picked this up probably about a year ago from the store Aldi. Aldi had a beautiful range of pastel kitchen decor, and this also comes in blush pink, but I absolutely love the turquoise one, and I use this quite often when I'm baking. Next up would be my tufted stool. I picked this up from the store TK Maxx about 2 years ago, and it's the stool I sit on when I do my makeup in front of my Hollywood mirror. I absolutely love it, and I love how it has that old world feel about it. And my last item, guys, is this stunning canvas of Audrey Hepburn. I picked this up from my Red Dollar store probably about 2 years ago, and as soon as I seen it, it absolutely stole my heart. Nothing's more elegant and glam than beautiful Audrey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please head on over to my sweet friend Lady PHENIX over at Really Good Living, where she has created a playlist of other YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful tag. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.